In this video, I will show you how to sync Google Contacts to iPhone. Start by opening your browser and going to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Then on your iPhone, open the Settings app. Use the search bar and type Contacts. Tap the Contacts app from the results. Then select Contacts Accounts. If your Google account isn't added yet, tap Add Account. Choose Google, and when the pop-up appears, tap Open Browser or Continue. Sign in using the same Google account you checked earlier. Keep tapping. Continue to allow access. You should see Account Added. Next, tap your newly added Gmail account. Make sure the toggle for contacts is turned on. Give it a few seconds. Sometimes Google Sync takes a moment. Then open your Contacts app and swipe down to refresh. Your Google Contacts should now appear on your iPhone. And that's how to sync Google Contacts to iPhone